Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to open Chrome on your Windows 11. So guys, if you are using Windows 11 PC or laptop, and also if you are using any version of Windows like Windows 10, 7 or 8, so you can use Chrome browser. Just click on this start button and here search Chrome. Now open Google Chrome. So this is the basic way to open Chrome, and if you not see Chrome browser once you search here, so open any browser like Opera, Edge or any browser which you installed. Now here search Chrome. Press enter. Open this Office again. Then click on download. You have to follow these 3 steps. Open this setup file. Then if prompt install anyway, so click on yes and wait for the installation to finish. Chrome will open automatically when it's done. So this is the basic way guys to download and install and to open Chrome browser on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment on this video useful for you or not.